4-piece cashier cabinet counter. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 77 inches, a depth of 18 inches, depth between the rack towards the end of the cabinet, we have 23 inches, and a height of 35.5 inches tall. And a height without the base, we have 28 inches. And the height for the base, we have 7 3/4 inches. This combination consists of 4 different sections. The first section will be the main counter, along with 2 racks. The length for the main counter, we have 35.5 inches. The measurements for each shelf rack will include 17 inches in length, 4 3/4 inches in depth, by 1 inch in height, and a height of 22.5 inches to the top of the first shelf. Measurements apply for each rack that will be included for each section. Coming to the back of the first section will include 2 cabinet drawers. Keys will be provided. And coming to the bottom will be a shelf that will store your products in the first and second level. The measurements for each level will be 34 inches in length, 15 3/4 inches in depth, by 9.5 inches in height. Measurements apply for the first and second level. These individual sections can be purchased separately from our website and can be interchanged with any combination display that you would like to set up. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.